Hey folks, Mark Stock here again. I'm with Larry Leckband from Ocheyedan, Iowa, and his big tractor collection auction will be online on BigIron.com coming up here October the 7th. If you want to check out his collection, October 3rd is the day to be here. Give us directions to your place, Larry.
From Ocheyedan, it's a mile south, a mile and a half west, and a mile south. L54.
L54. Now he's been collecting since 1951, and behind us we've got a couple of WD tractors, and in front of us an 806. Tell us, Larry, about these tractors.
The 806, I was in Worthington one time, and the thing came in on a truck that was headed for tractor salvage. It only had 2,500 hours on it. I followed it right down there, and they took the power takeoff out. They were going to part it out. I told them put it back in. I bought the tractor.
And tell us about your WD9.
The WD9 I've owned for 50 years. It's a good old tractor. Didn't use it. It was a collector tractor. Pulled a 4-bottom plow with it, showed off a little bit. Took tractor pulls. Pretty good for tractor pulls. Daughter Julie, she won quite a few with it.
And your WD6?
The WD6 is a beautiful tractor. That was purchased in the condition, had a motor problem. So we had to redo the motor and paint it. Other than that, you see it the way it is.
You got a great opportunity, folks, to buy quality tractors represented by the owner. Go to BigIron.com. They'll sell with no reserve on October the 7th.